hip about hips width apart. Hands in front of the dantian, about 4 fingers below the belly button and 4 fingers within the body. This is the true dantian. 1 cycle breathing is inhale, exhale. So we're going to breathe for 3 cycles. Opening up our dantian, feeling expansion and contraction with the belly, the rise and fall of the breath. In the center of the palms, we're going to face our lao gongs at each other. Open and close with the breathing. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel some type of sensation between the palms. Three cycle breathing. Cross the fingers. Exhale. Stretch over your head. Inhale. Gather the chi. Exhale. Go at your own pace. You can rise on your toes if you want for extra stretch. Hands holding the heavens. Our earth element holding the one posture. 3 cycle breathing at the dantian. Feel expansion and contraction in the lower dantian, natural and non-forced. There's no reverse breathing in this. Hold the bow. Look to the left. Gather the chi. Look to the right. As you exhale, and gather the chi. Go into a deep mabu or horse stance. Step. Gather the chi. Middle element, monkey offers the peach. We're working with the creation cycle, the 5 elements. 3 cycle breathing at the dantian. Separate the hands and press it up and press it down as you exhale. Inhale, gather the chi, and exhale, press up. Head under, press palms. Inhale, gather the chi, exhale, press. Inhaling, exhaling, natural and non-forced. Floating on water, the water element. Three cycles of breathing. The lower dantian, natural and non-forced. Open and close. Inhale. Exhale, open the back, spine, chest, everything. Close. Open, exhale. Inhale, close. Exhale. Look at your pinky. Healing 100 wounds. Let's go into the wood element, the dragon posture. Sure your shoulders are down, elbows are down. You're feeling a natural tendon stretch. You can rise your shoulders and let them sink down. Feel them sink. 3 cycle breathing at the dantian. And rotate, inhaling, back stretch. Exhale, circle the hips. Exhaling, circling the hips. Trying to get a lot of lot of flexion and extension in the spine and hips. Cycles of breathing at the lower dantian. Natural and non-forced. There's no reverse breathing. Inhaling, stretching overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to the back, sliding down the back of the legs, stretching. Touch your toes, look up. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you go down, massaging down the back of the legs, the tien channel, the back. Massage down the tien channel at the back. Okay. Inhaling, coming up. And exhaling, going down. Everything's natural, non-forced. Go at your own pace. Sitting on the table, 3 cycles, lower dantian breathing. Natural and non-forced. Go into a mabu. Exhale, punch. Inhale, pull in. Exhale, punch. Inhale, pull in. You can make your eyes bright with this one. Exhale. Exhale. It's a spear hand and then turn with the wrist and then a fist. And back around into our standing posture. Hands in front of the lower dantian. 3 cycles of breathing to the lower dantian. Natural and non-forced. In the heels, contraindicated for pregnancy. 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And we'll be Wuji standing at the end. About 3 cycles of breathing to the dantian. Just let your hands at your side, let them relax. Connect with the whole body from head to toe, breathing in tien. Take your time here. Really feel the result of the practice. Let's rub our kidneys. And our face. Chest, and the arms, and down the legs. We'll cover a lot of area, massaging, abdomen. Now let's reverse breathe. Inhale, squeeze in. Squeeze the dantian towards the spine. Exhale, relax. Inhale, squeeze in.